gotten my confidence back.
I can't go back now. I feel incredible. I feel younger than I am.
I've always looked for something like this that would give me my confidence back.
Feel comfortable going outside without a hat.
I would 100%, absolutely without a doubt, recommend it to anyone that's ever gone through or is going through the situation that I've been through.
A whole new me.
It's an investment. You're making an investment on yourself.
I have the vitality I had in my 20s. I feel like I'm in my 20s again.